Now, we also want to be able to go in and take a look at the health dashboard to see how our systems are operating. So if I get back over here into the core server, I can come here to tools. I can drop down here down to reporting/monitoring, and I can drop down here down into the health dashboard. Now, here within the health dashboard, it's going to want me to authenticate here. So let me just put in my credentials. And this is going to allow me to get down here down into the health dashboard. As I get into the health dashboard, I notice my machines here. And I notice that the icon of them is a kind of a bluish icon. That bluish icon is indicating to me that these machines are running in good health. If I had machines that were in a yellow or a red status, then that would indicate to me that they're either in a warning state or a critical state. And so then I can go in and I can try to determine what's going on with that device. This way I can be more proactive. And as a system administrator, it's important to kind of monitor this area to be able to see when we have machines that are reporting that they're either in a warning state or they're in a critical state. Now, if we find machines like that, we can come in and we can double click here on the machine, and it's going to take us right here into the real-time inventory and monitoring. And this is going to give us more information here about that particular device. So that's one of the beauties here of the health dashboard, is our ability to drill in and to get more information about the potential health status of the machine. Now, right now it's only showing me the first 20 machines here. Out here, if I change it, I can change this actually to display more machines. The maximum number we can put in here is 500. So I'm going to put in that 500, and now you can see I can see all of my machines that I have currently as managed devices here within the database. So I can see all the devices that I have. I can see that they're all here in a good working state. So that's what the health dashboard can be for me. It can be more of a proactive picture of what's happening with our assets throughout the organization. And then we also have this inventory history. This is a tool that we have within the system. And if I come here to configure inventory history, I can come in and I can start to indicate that there's certain elements here within the inventory that I want to track specifically for changes. Now let's just say that I'm a project manager and I'm working on a project where we're installing additional memory into the systems. So if I come in here underneath memory and I come here to total RAM, that's the one I want right there. If I put a check mark right there in that total RAM underneath the inventory column, then what that's going to do is that's going to track any changes to the total amount of RAM that a system has. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to save that information. I've got technicians out now installing new memory into my computers. And instead of me having to rely upon those technicians to come back and tell me what machines that they've performed that on, I can now come here to the view menu and I can pull up this inventory history, and here it's going to show me exactly the machines that have changed with that memory. What the old value was, what is the new value, and again I can see the device name. So as a project manager, I can now very easily come in and see where those changes have occurred, start to document that within my project plan, and be able to kind of show how that project is progressing. So again, without any feedback coming back, I'm getting the feedback through the inventory of the Ivanti software. And each device will send back an inventory scan on a daily basis. So any information about these upgrades, I'm going to be able to get that on a daily basis.